Can we start now? Beta, thank you so much. Yes, you can start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Please. Ma'am, I'm muting all of you.
अपनी स्क्रीन पे पिन करना है ना?
हाँ रुको.
अभी मत करो, अभी पहले. हाँ, यहीं रहने दे. स्टार्ट. बेटा अभी तो फुट. इसको नहीं.
Good afternoon to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is a teacher. Harika?
Let us now welcome all the teachers with a big round of
not working.
Kashvi?
What?
You have taught us for a long time with full patience and some rhymes. When we sit and started crying, you said that keep trying. You are our teacher and our friend. In exams, we said, is the milk end? When we started running in the hall, the teacher stops and scolds us all. A teacher just does not play a role of a teacher, but she plays many more different roles, and few people notice those roles and few do not. And the people who do not notice those roles has not known the importance of the teacher in our life. A teacher never does her work, and even in lockdown, she helps us and works for us tirelessly. And while we were helping us, she is not grouchy and bratty. Thanks for everything. And now we would like to present a video for all. All of you please mute yourself.
The voice is not coming.
What?
Riddhi, you have to click on the icon of allow voice.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be there when you will about to share ना, जहाँ पे आपके शेयरिंग के आइकन्स होते हैं नीचे कि आपको क्या शेयर करना है, वहीं पे ही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक छोटा सा आइकन होगा ऑडियो का.
Yes, ma'am. Just doing.
Okay, no problem, बेटा.
Ma'am, the option is not coming.
Wait a minute, I show you where it will be. Give me a minute. Okay, now you can see my screen.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You can see all of you.
No, ma'am.
Give me a minute. I click the picture and I send it to you.
Ma'am, I know how to do it. With the
You have
option
the
of
video with you?
ma'am, no, ma'am, Riddhi only has the video. Ma'am,
Oh.
but I know in the share tray we have an option share with audio.
Yes, Petu.
So we have to click that button and start sharing.
Ma'am,
Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Teachers' Day is actually a celebration to acknowledge the hardship, challenges, and the unparalleled role that teachers play in our life. Thank you.
It is a wonderful occasion for celebrate and enjoy the beautiful bond shared by teachers and students. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Teachers' Day is celebrated all across India every year on 5th of September to pay tribute to the teachers for their precious contribution to the society. There is a great reason behind the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th of September. In fact, 5th of September is the birthday of our former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was and statesman. He was highly devoted towards education. So, at the last, I will say to all of my teachers, thanks for being a true monitor of our health.
Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right from the kindergarten to university, they are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and inbuilt in our moral values.
There is saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child personality and provide a bright future.
They are a source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas, thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society.
I would like to express my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We will be always grateful to you. Thank you, everyone. Now we have some performances.
A very happy Teachers' Day to my all lovely teachers. Dear teachers, thanks for making us what we are today. Oh, again, a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
एक साया जो बन जाता हम साया सबका, इस दुनिया को प्यारा तोहफा है वो रब का. एक साया जो बन जाता हम साया सबका, इस दुनिया को प्यारा तोहफा है वो रब का. कभी मीठी सी मुस्कान, कभी तीखी तीखी डांट, है उसका एक ही फंडा, बस नॉलेज बांट. चलो बूझो इस पहेली को, बोलो है वो कौन. हा 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 टीचर, वो तो है टीचर. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Respected ma'am, today I am very glad to see the following few lines in praise of my all loving teachers on this Teachers' Day. Oh teachers, you have made a difference. You shaped our thoughts, changed our mind. You used the best methods you could find to develop our personality and mold our minds. Your involvement we see in all the things around. It discovers inversion or theory you found you have brought about changes and revolution. We are thankful to you for providing solution. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I want to be telling about our Teachers' Day. Thank you to my teachers for acting like a friend and taking time to show me lesson hard copy. And thank you for caring and you are good and friend for all the things you gave me. I will thank you to the end. Thank you very much. Happy Teachers' Day.
Now we have some individual performances. 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing.
And an awesome teacher. I will never forget you. These online classes are so much fun because of and for being so amazing. And an awesome teacher. I will never forget you. These online classes are so much fun because of you. Your friendly behavior is liked by everyone in the class. You always smile and is kind to us. You look pretty with a prettier heart and your teaching methods are unique just like you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all of my teachers.
Now we also have some live performances. Yuvraj.
यारों की मौजूदगी में फिर वही बात चले आए जो ख्याल लेके हम साथ चले बात कुछ ऐसी जरा कान मेरी और करो सुनो अल्फाज मेरे शब्दों पे गौर करो उनको सलाम हमें आगे बढ़ाया रुके जो कदम हमें रास्ता दिखाया तुम्हें क्या बताऊं नाता है ये पुराना आज पैरों पे खड़े हैं बस उनका शुक्राना विराज
हाँ ये टीचर्स वो है जिन्होंने हमें विद्या दी आज याद आती कुछ वाली सी याद है जब पहली बार होते स्कूल गए हम ना जाने के भी कितने बहाने मारे हमने और वही दिन हल्की मुस्कान छू जाते जहाँ के मेरा हमें बहुत सारा ज्ञान और जिन्होंने सिखाया उनका करते हम सलाम अब तुम्हें बताओ कैसे रहे उनके बिना और लोग आ जाए उनका ही दिन
पता नहीं क्या हुआ इस प्रेजेंट जनरेशन को अच्छा
अरकम कहाँ है
युवराज,
हाँ गा।
अबे यार तू मुझे फंसा दिया एंड टाइम में, ये तो कॉल से निकाल दिया मुझे।
मेरा जिताता है। नहीं आता, हम गा ले अपना।
हाँ तू गा।
पता नहीं क्या हुआ इस प्रेजेंट जनरेशन को ना रिस्पेक्ट ना लाओ, वो देते अपने टीचर्स को जब सिखाया गुरु ने, आगे बढ़ाया गुरु ने।
गुरु ने आया बढ़ाया गुरु ने, फिर इच्छा नहीं।
यार मुझे एक को तो गाने दे।
अब हम दोनों गाएंगे ना तो क्या है ये?
अच्छा चल गा।
Stop it.
फिर कर।
Stop it.
चल।
निकाला तू ही गा।
पता नहीं क्या हुआ इस प्रेजेंट जनरेशन को ना रिस्पेक्ट ना लाओ, वो देते अपने टीचर्स को जब सिखाया गुरु ने, आगे बढ़ाया गुरु ने, फिर पैर छूने में की शर्म आती है हमको, सो रिस्पेक्ट देम until you die, give them happiness that money can't buy। मैम बस खत्म हो गया।
मैम अब मैं गाऊं? एक पैराग्राफ है और।
अरे इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गया क्या?
नहीं, एक पैराग्राफ और है।
Yes, Viraj, you can continue. Yes, Viraj, you can continue.
Every teacher present here just wanna things to say. I cannot thank you ill any other. Just wishing all of you happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Every teacher present here just wanna things to say. I cannot thank you all in any other way.
Beautiful.
मैम पता है कल रात के 1 बजे तक हमने प्लानिंग किया।
बहुत बढ़िया, सबने मिलके बहुत सुंदर परफॉर्मेंस करी है।
Is that all? Is that all? 5D
हाँ,
हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you all can clap for yourself. Wonderful.
सही
It was a
बात है।
magic created. Clap for yourself loudly. It was truly magical and I cannot stop smiling. My jaws have started paining. I can't stop smiling, you know. This is paining because I'm so overwhelmed. I just feel like hugging you all. Lots of love for you. Thank you, beta. Thank you so
मैम
and wonderful. Your love matters to us a lot.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes,
बेटा
beta. बोलो.
जीवन में इसी तरह से ही आगे बढ़ते रहो और अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम करो। आप बहुत अच्छा आपको मिला है कि किस तरह से मैनेज करना है हर चीज को। इसी से ही आप आगे और सीखोगे और सीखिए और आगे बढ़िए, खूब आगे बढ़िए।
So it is a little tribute to our teachers for their selfless support. This is the best day for all us to express how much we love you as students. Thank you, teachers, for being with us as we grow. We will with as we will definitely make you proud in the years to thank you. I want to share my PPT.
Yes, you can
beta, you
share.
can.
I make you the presenter, Betu. Wait a minute. Beautifully done, Riddhi. Beautifully done, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Beautifully. Everything was done beautifully. Siddharth, I've made you the presenter.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Kavita ma'am, Deepti and Swati ma'am will agree that this Teachers' Day has been much more loving than the actual ones. Today it was so overwhelming.
Of course, ma'am, of course.
मतलब दूर रह के भी लग रहा है बच्चे पास हैं बिल्कुल.
पास हैं,
They're
बिल्कुल।
truly very overwhelming बेटा. बहुत अच्छा करा है.
बल्कि इन्होंने और ज्यादा बढ़ के किया है ये चीजें सारी बढ़ के
Exactly.
और बिल्कुल पता नहीं लगने दिया।
Yeah.
इतनी
बिल्कुल।
सारी मेहनत करी, पता ही नहीं चला। जो 4th क्लास में आए थे वो इतने बड़े हो गए हैं अब।
हाँ,
They can
लग रहा है
manage
50
to
में आ
take it.
गए हैं और
They have
रिस्पॉन्सिबल बन
become
गए हैं।
independent. कितना
हाँ,
independent, कितना responsible हो गए।
रिस्पॉन्सिबल, हाँ, और अच्छी तरह से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पूरी कर रहे हैं सारे बच्चे।
Yeah,
ब्यूटीफुल सिद्धार्थ, बहुत प्यारी पीपीटी है।
very nice. मतलब it just feel like कि तुम लोग सामने क्यों नहीं हो? I would have hugged all of you. Thank you so much, बेटा.
थैंक यू।
I am having tears like anything.
यस ऑफ कोर्स मैम,
Because
ये
it's
बैच
very
बहुत ही
overwhelming.
बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छा बैच है। हर
Overwhelming.
God
चीज
bless
में,
you
चाहे
all.
स्टडीज हो, चाहे एक्टिविटीज हो, को करिकुलम हो, हर चीज में बेस्ट है।
बहुत अच्छी
And
presentation. I enjoyed each and everyone's performance to the hilt. Each and every performance. बहुत अच्छी performance. आपने इतना टाइम निकाला, अपने टीचर्स के बारे में सोचा। Our blessings are always with you. You will, may God keep you on the right path always. May you achieve success. May you stay healthy, secured. May God bless you with good health. Everything good should happen to in your life.
मैम
God bless
आपको
you
पता है
all.
पहले तो हम इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप्स में कर रहे थे, फिर मैम मेरी मम्मा ने बोला सबको एक साथ करना चाहिए और वो ग्रुप
right.
बना शाम के 6 बजे। और मैम फिर वीडियो जब हमने बनाई तो मैम रात के 2 बज गए, फिर मम्मी ने
मैम
सुबह
1
7
बजे तक बात हुई है मैम, रात
Yes,
को
ma'am.
1 बजे तक प्लान नहीं किया हमने।
मुझे भी लगा ज्ञान
बिल्कुल बोलते हैं टीम वर्क, टीम वर्क इसी को बोलते हैं, और ऐसे ही आप लोग
मैम
सीखोगे
रात
किस
के
तरह से आगे टीम
सुबह
वर्क
के
करना
8
है।
बजे तक तो प्लान नहीं किया हमने।
मैम मैंने आज आप सबके लिए कार्ड्स भी बनाए हैं।
Wow.
Beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है
Very
बेटा
nice.
सब कुछ.
थैंक यू
Thank you
सो
so much to all the parents
Yes.
for coping, for helping children perform and what should I say, coordinating with each other and teaching children the value of being united. And children, आपको पता है अगर आप अकेले करते ना, सच में हमें इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता जितना हमें अभी लग रहा है। जो हमें अभी फीलिंग हो रहा है ना, जैसे आपको सारी टीचर्स को इकट्ठे देख के आपको अच्छा लग रहा होगा ना, सेम फीलिंग हमें हो रही है। आप सब इकट्ठे हो तो हमारी खुशी उसमें है, ये ध्यान रखना। हमेशा इकट्ठे रहना, ऑलवेज स्टे टुगेदर।
बोलो बेटा।
मैम मैम आपको नया लॉबी दिख रहा है मैम, कैन यू सी नयन इन द लॉबी?
Nayan, no, I
No,
cannot
he's
see
not
anyone
there.
in the
He's not
lobby.
there.
I think he
मैम
has got
unknown user is calling that he's in the lobby.
in my lobby nobody is there. You can admit the user. Now it is showing.
Yes, ma'am.
I have admitted
I
now.
have admitted. Ma'am, thank you, Swati ma'am, for joining us.
अरे थैंक यू बेटा, मेरा नहीं आप लोगों का थैंक यू, आप सबका
बाय
थैंक
बाय,
यू।
आपके
बहुत
पीछे
सुंदर काम
पेड़
करा है सब बच्चों ने मिलके, सबने मिलके बहुत एफर्ट
Thank you, ma'am.
A
थैंक
big
यू बेटा,
thank you
थैंक यू
to
सो
all
मच।
of you for
लव यू
making
Okay,
ऑल।
this day
children.
so special.
हाँ।
Love
Ma'am,
you.
मैं थोड़ी सी मीटिंग में हूँ, can you send the recording?
Yes, I will share the recording with all of you. I will download the recording and I will share with all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Can we
children,
switch on the
5B.
cameras? I will click a picture of everyone if possible.
Yeah, Deepti, 1 minute. I have a song to sing for all of you. Can I?
Yes, ma'am, surely.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I will sing. Please mute everyone. And I'll sing.
Okay, ma'am.
This song is specially dedicated to all of you. Okay. आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबदाना मेरा पास तेरे है ना, ढूंढते मेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला तो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला सब हासिल, हाँ मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन में दिल. Thank you, children. Love you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you are doing
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी बच्चों का, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दिल से सबका
Ma'am, your voice
शुक्रिया.
is so good.
Thank you,
दिल से
beta.
सबका बहुत बहुत
Thank
शुक्रिया.
you. Thank you, beta. Thank you. It's because there is love in the voice for you all. Thank you, beta. That was specially for all of you.
Okay, children, I would like to take a picture with all of you. If you have still not switched on your camera, please switch on it. Switch it on. You could see my screen. If you are not able to see yourself, then please switch it on again. There are total 25 people in the meeting, and I could see till now 10, 22 people I can see on the screen.
22.
Who is not there? Please switch on your camera. Okay, I click the picture. Divyansh, are you there? I can see Divyansh. Give me a minute. Smile, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you, children.
Thank you, children.
You made our day. Thank you so much.
Thank
God
you so
bless
much.
you all
आज तू कुछ
always.
कह रहा था ना?
Love you all.
अच्छा
One,
रिद्धि,
2, 3. Happy
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
ma'am.
Happy teacher
Thank
day.
you.
Happy Teachers
Thank
Day,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you,
Thank
Dipti
you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, beta. Thank you.
Convey a big thanks to your parents from our side.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and happy teachers to all of you. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, dear parents. Thank you so much, dear parents.
ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All
Thank
your
you.
job that children do so well.
Thank you. Thank you. It's the values that you're imbibing in them.
आपको पता है मैम
हाँ
हाँ,
जी.
मैम आपको पता है
Viraj, I could not hear you. Maybe some network problem.
मैम मैं कह रही हूँ ये तो सिद्धि की मम्मी ने करा है
Okay, Riddhi की मम्मा ने कराया. A big thank you to Riddhi's mom also.
यस मैम
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. इतना बढ़िया सेलिब्रेशन शायद स्कूल में भी नहीं हो पाता. Thank you so much.
एक्चुअली वर्चुअली तो बहुत ही ज्यादा है.
A big thank you to you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dipti. Thank you, Swati ma'am. Thank you, Bhavita ma'am.
Pooja ma'am.
Thank you. We'll take your leave. Thank
God
you.
bless you all. God bless you.
मैम हैप्पी टीचर्स डे हैव अ नाइस डे
Thank you,
Kavita,
beta.
go on mute.
Thank you.
बाय
Bye.
मैम
Wonderful show. Wonderful.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am. Happy
बाय
मैम
Teachers
आपको
Day.
कैसा लगा?
Have a nice day,
बहुत
ma'am. Bye,
बढ़िया,
ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा.
Double.
मैम से
Bye, ma'am. Happy
Thank you,
Teachers
ma'am.
Day.
चलो दीदी जी
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Happy Teachers
Bye,
Day.
ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Bye bye. Bye, beta. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Arnab, who selected the rap song?
मैम मैं तो बीच में मेरे को मैम किसी ने रिमूव ही कर दिया था मैम मैं तो कुछ सुन ही नहीं पाया
I will share the recording with you. अभी recording save करके I'm going to share in the group. Okay?
थैंक यू मैम
Welcome, beta. Bye, everyone. Bye bye.
बाय
Bye bye.